We are African queens, we are queens, we are priceless. Everybody's gone through some brokenness, but we still cry. Look how beautiful we are today. We've got the red, the green, the orange, the blue. We are looking so bright. Even black is looking brighter than all the other colors today. So thank you. So clap hands for it. It's not easy to come to the light. That's why we ask you ladies to encourage us when we come up. Now I'm going to invite our chairman, Christine. She's going to tell us about her story, vision, and mission. Let's have a round of our Christine's going to be here for us, and yeah, she'll tell you more about her story. It's one of the people that today when it started.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure and an honor for me to be told to come and present about the journey of how we started.
Oh, yes.
Yes, my name is Christine. Please, MC, I'm just Christine. Okay, we were a group of ladies. I met Jeanette a long time ago. And as we were a group of ladies who meet, sometimes just to chat as ladies. And there's something that I noticed when we were meeting. We had so many different issues that we were facing. The whole and we meet maybe once in a month, or once in 2 months, or even have phone calls. And one day I said to Lynette, you know Lynette, you are helping a lot of people. Lynette is very patient, and she listens a lot. And but when she feels the right, when it's time for you to stand up, she will really stand. Okay? So I said to her, you are helping a lot of women, and some were coming out of very difficult situations that even myself, if I were to put myself in that situation, I'll say, how did that person survive? So I said to her, you need to start a group. Lynette said, no. I prefer to do 2 people or one. And I said, but the things that you're doing need to reach out there. It's not enough to just ask. Maybe if we speak to someone and say it was Lynette, they will not listen. But if it's coming straight from you and they get it from you, they will see what I'm seeing. I struggled with my friends to make this happen. So one day when I was coming to work on the 10th day, it was 6 o'clock, and I called them and I said, yes, I'm going to start this group. He said, no, Christine. I said, I'm starting it. And I said, give me the name. He said, the women with issues. I said, no. And there were 3 names that were given that were going with women's problems. Then she said, a story. I said, like this story or this story. She said, her story. And I said, that one is the one.
Wow.
Of all the 4 names that she has given. If you see on our group chat, you can see when that it was the 3rd of May. So we are 1 month and 1 year, 1 month, and just today. And I'm happy that even when we started, we were maybe 30. And I remember when the link was sent, it was like, she couldn't believe it. Because it was like a job. I just started the group and we sent the links. And to her, it was like, why are you pushing this? I said, this is yours. It's not mine. I'm just helping you to do it. You have to do it. And now when I see a lot of people being helped through this group, I smile because it's something that I wish that she would reach to many women because of the wisdom that Lynette has. I, for one, can say she has helped me stand in a lot of situations, and there are many inside of you who has had one-on-one with Lynette, you can attest to what wisdom she has. I thank everyone for joining us and making this group and this movement what it is today. We had never dreamed that today we will have more than 300 members. Thank you very much, historians, for making it worthwhile and making it the vision to come true. May I kindly request our anchor, Lynette, to just stand and wave to you. Please. I would like to say that today it's about you. Yes, if I say it's about you, my friend, and us all. Yes, it's about you as the anchor. You are the driving force in it. Yes, we are there to when you are doing this, you say, no, let's go there. When you want to fall and you know, but I thank God that with my first 2 years, I let you do it, and look at what you have achieved, my friend. Thank you, the pastors. Thank you, the pastors, and everyone. And we are seeing a lot of people that are coming into a story that we have never seen before. I want to thank the guests of honors. I want to thank Pastor Chikumba. I want to thank Mama Rinson. I want to thank Ziva. I want to thank SIS MELLY. I want to thank everyone. Just to mention everyone who's here, you are important to us. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much. Without wasting time, I'll hand it over to the MC. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. She's a very humble chair lady. She's the chair lady of her story. You see her?
Yeah.
She doesn't want to be honored, but we honor her. She's got great work to do. It's not easy to run 2 groups. So let's thank her for the way we do things. I would like to invite our next lady, the beautiful woman that is sitting at a certain corner. That is a powerful woman as well, that is going to speak to us about her story as well. She's going to give more light about donation and subscriptions. We're going forward, so I would like to invite Lois Chalele. Please come through. Look excited.
Taswira.
I don't know this down when I speak. I did. It's rather intimidating to stand up here. Is this loud enough? This one.
Taswira.
Yeah, you all look absolutely stunning. It's very intimidating to stand before you. I'm not here to talk about my story, but I'm here to talk about her story, the mission, and the vision of the business. Excuse me, stop Davis, it's like a lot of you here. So let's thank us for So just to give you an update, in terms of the business, we are now fully registered in terms of banking details, as well as we are now a fully functioning. Oh goodness, I'm so nervous. My heart is like.
Relax. 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 Relax.
Women, waiting assistants.
Just picture. Yeah.
Right now, we want to know. We want to start paying off.
You look fabulous, by the way.
That helps.
Yes.
Cool. Just to take you through what the foundation as well as the mission and vision of the business is. We are now fully registered. We're now an NPO,
which means you're a non-profit organization. So should you make contributions, we can share bank details. I'm keeping it very technical so that it's not too...
So it's not business, ne?
Yes, not business.
Yeah, it's not, because it's an NGO thing.
Yeah. What our vision is to basically create a movement, a place for sisters, camaraderie. That's basically what we're trying to promote. Create a place and a safe place for all sisters to come and talk about where we've been, who we are, and all the stories that we've all been through. I know that when it comes to all women, our society is not necessarily created to support who we are, or we're not raised to show strength. But what this platform does is sort of allows you to come and sort of show who you are and be supported for you to be able to grow out. One of the things that I just needed to highlight was that we live in a society that labels women negatively, but expects them to live positively. Also, we are the women that are raising the newer generation, but it's when we're coming from a very broken place. So what we are trying to do is to create a platform that allows you to grow, to heal, as well as to support the newer generations that is coming up now. Okay. What our mission is to create a movement for women who are authors of their own destiny by rewriting stories of pain, shame that are labeled, that have labeled them victims through shared experiences. What our mission is as a business is to say, as a story, we want to transform the lives of women. We want to support women. We want to support the dreams that women come up with. We want to make sure that when you come in here, you don't leave as you come, but you leave stronger than what you were. We want to support the dreams as well as the financial stability of women to create, again, the sisterhood. What our objectives are as a business, basically, is to transform the women's views, how we are seen in a society, give us a platform, or give you all a platform where you can have a voice. So this entire place was created to make sure that you have a voice. You come share your story, you come share your businesses, but you're fully empowered as women. I had created an entire speech for it.
We are listening.
Yes, and I kind of went all over it. We understand that it is our upbringing to sort of shy away from everything that is who we are, but we wanted to make sure that when we come in a place like this, we leave our mistakes behind. We make sure that our mistakes don't define us. What defines us is not necessarily how we fall or what our mistakes are, but what defines us is how we rise from all these failures and all of these mistakes that society enables us. So that's basically taking you through what our mission and what our statement is. I'm sorry for a little bit. It's kind of not flowing through. So some of the things that we wanted to say was through sharing personal experiences and speaking out. And sharing other stories from women in when you are here, you find support. We allow each other to build